break it?
The breeze on it stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
What happened? Hello everyone, I am my fans, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rifts Apart. Now, last time left off, we competed into this little battle royale thing. Hated that. It really both took the wind out of me, and also took a long time to do. But we got the information, and we talked to Ratchet, which hopefully we get to find in the next episode. Or, this episode. Because we're going to a different planet, I think. So, before we do that, I just want to say, thank you guys for watching, support my channel, support pretty much everything I do. You guys are awesome, feel awesome, and yeah, don't forget the like button, comment down below. What was your favorite? Oh yeah, I almost forgot to say, Happy New Year, everybody! I didn't get to say before in last episode, because that one was supposed to be for a different day, but I haven't really got it out yet, so it became the New Year's episode. So yeah, how was your New Year's? This is today's video. How was your New Year's?
Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a dimensionator.
Oh, okay.
I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't going to be easy.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes. But phase quartz is
one of the
Oh.
rarest minerals in the universe.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, that seems about right. Anyways, back to what I was saying. How was your New Year's? What did you do on New Year's Day or New Year's Eve? Did you do anything interesting? I really want to know. And don't forget to join Dragon Arts by subscribing and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever and whatever upload. Alright. Oh. That wasn't. Okay, there we go. That's what I was supposed to do. Alright. So, get some Meritanium here. Why? I thought there was two. Let's see if we got enough for... Ooh, okay, I really want that lightning thing. There we go. Now, look like we got enough for something else. I'll get the drill hand. Full pack? What's that? Fill a weapon wheel. I did? Okay. See, how many retain? We got 7. Let's see here. Let's hold up on the Raritanium. Woohoo! Nice, I got drill. Alright, let's do some setups. Setting ups. Okay, so we'll put that one right there. See how much it. Yes, we'll definitely put that one there. Laser still has that. I'm using that as a shotgun. This is just mainly my main weapon. Alright. So.
If you're hearing this and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help on Sargasso.
Okay.
She's a friend.
Oh.
It has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
Alright.
More limeade recipes slowly coming along.
Oh, okay. Well, I see something over here I can do, I think. Ooh. Let's see this. Alright, I got 4 Rataniums. Cool. Hang on. There we go. Alright. I think I'm getting the pattern here. Alright. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting the pattern over here. I should probably wait. Yeah. Ooh, a new suit for Rivet. Almost forgot her name. Oh. There we go. There we go. What do we get? Alright. Q-Force helmet. Yeah, Wait, that looks stupid. Okie dokie then. Let's go ahead and break all these. Alright. Wait. Fire. Fire. And fire. I don't know why, but I really like breaking boxes. There we go. Shortcut. Alright. So let's head on out of here. And head to the ship. Where is our ship? Oh, no, that's it up there. Okay. Let's go and explore the galaxy, I guess. Alright. Where are we going next? What's happening?
Hello,
Oh.
Dimension.
Hello.
I know I've been away for you know how long. So,
No.
I thought we should catch up. What have I been
Okay.
up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans.
Highly doubt it.
Enjoying my
Uh-huh.
lovely scenery. And
Yeah, that
finding
makes
out
sense.
That there are two insolent Lombaxes running
Uh-oh,
around
we've been spotted out.
everything. So,
Uh-oh.
I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons.
Oh,
Anyone who can bring me those fuzzy
that
miscreants.
looks...
Dead
That's
or
probably don't
alive.
look that good.
Preferably alive, so I can have some fun with
Oh.
them first.
Okay.
My elaborate spy network indicates
Uh-huh.
that they'll be at Blizzard and Savali very
Oh.
soon. So, get to it.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
If those Lombaxes are listening,
Uh-huh.
just know
Okay.
that I'm going to crush you into dust.
Highly doubt it.
Then I'll blast that dust into a sun,
Uh-huh.
and then I'll dump that sun into...
Okay.
Now I'm on 2 nefarious hit lists.
Yeah,
Who
that
knows
sucks.
where we are going.
Alright. So, okay, we need to go,
Phase Courts, here we go.
where? Phase Quartz or Dimension Blueprint?
Let's hope Ratchet finds that prophet soon.
Let's go over here. Alright, I think we're supposed to be Ratchet in this one. Okay.
On Sargasso,
Uh-huh.
you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he
Yeah.
could find the other Lombaxes.
Uh-huh.
I never thought I'd meet one of us,
Okay.
much less find our home, if
Uh-huh.
you even call it that. Do you
Okay.
really think it would work?
No.
Oh.
No!
No what? Oh, what happened? Bazaar Prime? What happened here? Okay. Well, are we supposed to meet?
I am uncertain.
Okay. Ooh, 0 gravity. Alright. What else is around here? What's that? Can I break it?
The bees on it stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
What happened?
Another dimension.
Oh,
Is
wow.
this your Blazer?
No, but we
Okay.
can find intact phase quartz here. We
Cool.
should seek out the miners.
Oh. That's not good. Oh, God! Ah! Go away!
Cannot be good.
No! Bad crab-like creatures! Go away! Taste this! Nice.
What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between
Uh-huh.
dimensions.
I was
Okay.
afraid you'd say that.
Yeah, me too. Whoa!
Safety lockdown engaged.
We
Well, that
need to
sucks.
reach the other side of that window to activate
Wait, who
the
was that?
lockdown release.
Thought I saw
Another
something over there.
dimensional thing?
Yes, the instability is worsening.
Uh-huh.
Probably why mining operations are offline.
Oh, okay. Well, that sucks. And I think I got enough for the other one? No, I don't. Alright. Here we go.
Stupid universe.
Uh.
Job.
Okay. Hello. How are you? Oh, where did I get this mask from? Okay. What? Uh-huh. Okay. That was weird.
Do you know what she was talking about?
Nope. Not at all.
Survivor of whatever happened here.
Yeah.
Right. We need another Blizon crystal.
Oh. Oh, that... Oh, okay. Well, we got that. Oh, wait. There we go. Where do we go now? Oh, we walk on over here. Magnet? Ooh. Cool. Very, very cool. Okay, that was nothing. Just some bolts. Nice. Okay. Boom. There. Nice. Perfect. Is that it? Because I saw another box. Alright. Come on. Get all that. Perfect. Alright. Okay. Okay. Nice. Can I not shoot those? Oh. Nope, come back. Nice. Money is kind of important. Alright. Let's go ahead. Nice. What? You gotta be kidding me. Die! Okay. Okay, you're dead. There we go, you're dead. Nice. Oh, you're alive? Where go die? There we go. You're dead.
Got him. So how are we gonna get in the base courts?
Oh.
We should speak to a miner or engineer in the intact dimension.
Okay. Let's see. Alright.
She's broadcasting to anyone who will listen.
Oh.
We can look into it after we obtain the phase quartz.
Okay. Well, first, let's go get these. So that we got money. Hang on. Money, thank you. And whack. Alright. Alright. Can we use that to unlock the door? Okay.
Got it.
Cool. But does that mean I can't open this door? Oh well. Alright. Whack that. Nice. Titanium! Nice. Let's go. Uh-oh. Hi! Oh, you're alive? Not anymore. Alright. Looks like we need to get somewhere, get across that somehow. Alright. So, I don't... What just happened?
A mining platform.
Okay. Come on. Go away. Ow! Dude, where'd you come from? Oh, okay, that's where you came from. Go away. Go away. You too. Alright. That's not good. Jeez. There's so many of them. Die. There we go. We're all good now.
Nicely handled.
Thank you. I see some rare titanium over there. Alright. Go ahead and grab it.
The stranger?
I encounter no one like that in my dimensions, please are.
Oh. Okay. Uh-oh, there's more. I got my shotgun out! Go away! Go away! Nice. Alright then. Let's go ahead and get that rarity. Gold bolt! Look at that! What's that? I don't know. But there's a gold bolt right there. Our very first.
How did this get?
Nice. I don't know. Let's see. Shiny. 25. That's not really that much. But they're probably scattered across the stars. Anyways. Raritanium. Collect. Ah, nice. Alright. Time to go over here. Now let's use the Phantom Dash. Woo! That was close. Alrighty then. Go ahead. No! Go away! Go! Away! You stupid lava creatures. Alright. What? What's happening? Oh, no. I don't know. No, don't grab the Lombax. Go away! Go away! Die! Alright. At least it has a lock-on target. Oh, one more. I'll seize you. Ow! You jerk! Come on. Ow! Don't have time to play with you. Got stupid shark things. Uh oh. Out of ammo. Nice. Ow. Come on. You jerk! Uh-oh. No! Whew. That was close. Alright. Go ahead and collect some, of this.
We will need a way to mine the phase quartz.
Uh-huh.
Perhaps the giant drill.
What drill?
Find someone who can point us to it.
Let's see. Oh, cool. It didn't go on without us. Nice. Ookily dookily. Let's go. And, over here. Let's see. I'm not sure if I see enemies over there or just allies. Or potential allies. I don't know. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. Perfect. Anyways. Ooh, what's in here? Raritanium! Nice. Ah, look! Another one that you may see, and you probably will see in the future. Uh-oh. Ouch! I thought that was gonna hurt. So how do I get out of here? There we go. Just didn't jump high enough. High. Okay.
This is the mining hub.
Uh-huh.
Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill.
Okay.
The Chief Engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You're just
Nice.
full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed.
Probably.
For example, the
What?
average miner spends 72% of their life
Uh-huh.
underground.
Really?
Really?
No,
Whoa.
but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia.
Oh.
These individuals appear as confused as we
Oh,
are.
funny.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts.
Uh-huh.
Can't really blame them. But we
Okay.
need that drill. We should
Yeah.
hurry. Whatever happened to... Bolts.
What? I
Focus.
don't know.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Welcome to Bleak.
Let's go in here. Really? I'm still under?
I do hate to see you go.
That sucks. Anyways. Let's see. Where are we going? Over there. Apparently. Let's see. Go ahead and break these. boxes. Alright. I believe... I don't think it's going to be a bad idea right now, but I believe, like, if for real, if I shoot this, this will explode.
You looking for the chief engineer?
Yeah!
That safety lift to get to the site.
Alright. Thank you. Now let's go on ahead. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
In a deadly, terrifying way.
Okay, good. We don't have to fight it. So let's go ahead. Can I jump up? Oh, yeah, we can.
That must be the chief engineer.
Huh?
Hello?
Okay. You alright?
Do you hear that?
No.
No.
What am I supposed to hear?
Horses. Haven't been hearing them for too long.
Okay.
Whatever the purple is, they are too. First
Uh-huh.
the Quakes and the Bleezon.
Okay.
This.
I don't hear anything.
Yeah, me neither.
Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for face court soon.
Yeah, I
Not
guess.
until I determine what's going on.
Uh-huh.
For all we know, this whole drill
Yeah.
site is haunted. That's why
Okay.
I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
Oh, purple.
I
Okay.
have to pick them up. And I know it's safe.
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh,
Wait! I'll
What?
find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
okay.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension.
Really?
Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Okay.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent
True.
it here. Let's go.
Alright. Guess this is the only way we have to go.
Testing comms.
Hello.
Bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods.
I'm dead. Wow, isn't that just nifty?
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
Yeah, sure.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension.
Uh-huh.
Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Okay.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there.
Also, I didn't realize there was titanium right here.
Let's go.
Alright.
Testing comms.
Yep, I hear
Bots would
you.
have followed the paths marked by the survey rods.
Okay.
Sure they're listening in on the purple.
Alright, go away.
The tremors are increasing
Nice.
in frequency and size.
Alright.
Too much to ask that we be able to find phase courts without dodging
Uh-huh.
earthquakes and lava?
Probably. Speaking of lava. No! Go away. Bad. No. Okay, who's next? Come on. Ow! Come on. Let's go. Nice.
Oh, sweet Bob.
There is? I don't see anything. Alright. I do see some titanium. And a whack. Nice. I also collected health? Intriguing. Oh, is that a bot? Oh god.
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers.
Alright.
Be quick.
Okay.
Please come. Oh, goodness. No.
Alright.
Hurry.
Ow!
Scorched first
That
smells
hurt.
awful.
Jeez.
The blaze on.
Okay.
Strike. Strike.
I'm gonna strike it. Just give me a second. Alright. So I guess we gotta go over here. Alright. Oh, come on! Where do you come from?
Anything on this
Fire!
We should be
Ow! Oh, there is another. I did! Dang it. Oh, I'm back over here. Well, that's dumb. That really is dumb. Alright. Nope, gotta wait. You stupid! I waited! Yep. Fire! There we go. Your turn. Ow! Come on. Die! Alright, good. You're dead. Alright, let's go. Explode that. Explode it. Explode that. Let's see, can I go back over there? Because I could get some of that money. And raritanium, which I just saw. Well, I mean, not money, but still. You know what I mean. Currency! What? That was weird. Alright. Nice. Alright. Let's make our way over here. Right. Nice! Awesome jump. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna get all those. Unfortunately. Okie dokie. Nice. Whack that.
I am overheating.
Uh-huh.
I can sweat. I must flee.
Okay.
Her so she comes back
I'm
to
dead
me.
now.
Looks like she picked up an audio file.
Goodbye, cruel world. Yeah. Don't know why I jumped back
We have
for.
one part of the message. Hopefully the rest will help us understand what happened to your Blizzard.
Okay. Anyway, let's go over here. And fire! I love this gun. Whack. I gotta upgrade this weapon. Ah! Robo doggos! No! Fire!
Give up yet? It'd be great if you did.
Yeah. I concur. Alright. Let's see. Guess we gotta go down here. I think. At least we got some goodies. Ooh, crystal. That broke.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
Behind the safety glass.
Uh-huh. Oh, there's the other robot. Let's see. We gotta get over there somehow. Alright. Gonna hit that. Nice. Whack. Alright. What? Okay. Uh-huh.
Perhaps she is talking about the safety protocols. I know I find red
Okay.
constricting.
Makes as much sense as anything.
Yeah, that's true. Let's see. Now, do we go over here and enter? Yes, we do. Whack!
Identified
Nice.
non-hostile entity.
Yeah, I'm on non-hostile to my friends.
No.
Okay.
You should head back to the chief engineer.
Uh-huh.
Bad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Yeah.
Aw.
Stop fussing, Jim.
Okay.
Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to
Uh-huh.
find friends.
I don't know, probably.
Hostile entity. Hello. Are you my
Alright. Well, time to go. There's one more bot left. Uh-oh. Go away! Go! Shoot! Shoot! Yup. Come on. I am the Hammer Master. Okay. Longo! Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Die. Ow! You jerk! There we go.
None. Bros.
Oh,
Let's count.
that was stupid. Alright, let's go. Guess we gotta whack that. First, let's get some health. Health collected. Let's go. And whack that.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious?
Guess?
Everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Oh.
Ah, a fair
Ooh,
point.
that's close. Alright. There. I got majority of them. That's good. I can live with that. Alright. Let's go ahead and Zero grab jump. There we go. And now whack us. Whack us.
Drill platforms.
Uh-oh.
Defunct one.
What are those?
1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here.
Okay.
Find the box.
Alright. Let's see. Fire! I'm helping! Ow. That's what I get for helping. Come on. There. Come on. Go ahead and die now. You guy bad? Yeah, you're bad. Okay, you're dead. Okay. Stop it! There we go. Nice. Is there anything up here? Any secrets? No? Okay. I'll fight winner! Please, just let me get some health. Nice. I guess I can make it. Just I need to wait for that to stop erupting. There we go. Alright. Oh god. No! Ow! Worth it. Raretanium. 3 pieces. Let's go. Thank God for the Phantom Dash. Come on. Alright. Maybe I should have gone. No. I think I made the right choice. Die! Thank you. Alright.
I see the bot over on that platform on the right.
Which
Past the
one?
broken bridge.
There must
Oh,
be
that
a way
one.
to reach it.
I don't know. See, I do see something else over there. Maybe I can do this? That's the wrong button. There we go. Move that over there.
Green moved the crystal.
Yeah, move that over there so we can somehow go over there and then use the crystal. I guess. I don't know. Anywho, Wackus. See. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I'm so smart. And I'm not going to break those boxes because there's no way I'm going to get over there. I did? Okay. That was weird. Whack! Whack! There we go. Nice. Hey!
Engaging charming accent.
Oh. Okay.
What are y'all doing here? Returning to chief engineer?
That's charming?
Oh, Sam.
Okay.
Always trying to find herself.
Uh-huh.
One step closer to figuring out this message. That's
Okay.
all of them. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Come back to my survey station.
Alright.
See what the little bots picked up from
Sure.
the other side.
Alright. So let's go ahead. What? What's happening?
Hazardous life forms detected.
Uh-oh.
Facility security lockdown engaged.
That's bad.
Don't worry. I
Okay.
designed the security system myself.
Uh-huh.
Except that
What?
motion trackers are saying they're inside.
Oh.
the house.
That's not good. That's not good.
Sailing. I always forget to look up.
That's definitely not good. Arr! That's a robot! Fire! Ooh, ow. Fire!
A gift from my dimension to yours.
Come on.
Irreducible scrap metal.
There you go. Ow. Fire! There we go. Come on. Go away! Ow! I need health. Ah! Health! I died! Crap! Alright. Fire! Ow! Ay.
From my dimension to yours.
Okay.
Reduce it to scrap metal.
Let's go. Ow! Jerk. Nope. Come on. Ow. Come on! You can't do that! Need retreat. Go away! Shoo! Go away. Stop! Stop it! Ow! Come on! Yeah, you think! Running, running. Come on! Oh, this is gonna be like... all over again. The you-know-what all over again.
Location unknown. Life form unknown.
Come on.
Protocol destroy.
Ow.
From my dimension to yours.
Go away.
Scrap metal.
Go away. Go close. Go away. Go away. Die. Die. Ow. Ah. Ah. Health. Health. Now. Ah. Health. Ah. Ow. Good. Health. Whew. Feel a lot better now. Ow. Ow. Dang, nabbit. Alright. Let me go and, get the big guns. There we go. Come on. There. There we go. Come on. I don't care. Die. There we go. Fire! Hey, stop it. Yep. Fire! There we go. Alright. Fire! Nope. Almost dead. Good. Come on. Go. Almost dead. Die! There we go. Ay, ay. Stupid. Ay, ay. Ugh. What does that mean? Why is my XP rainbowy? Did I get max HP? What the heck? Alright.
Are you my new best friend?
I don't know.
Sure.
Okay.
I will take you to our
phase
quartz extracting drill in the name
Okay.
of friendship.
Thanks, I guess.
That can't be good.
What? What's happening now?
Is identical to the one we saw.
Oh.
We saw Gasso.
Shut up, phone.
You can deal with it.
As your best
Okay.
friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
Oh, okay.
What's that mean?
Yeah.
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so
Oh.
I will not expound at this time. Instead,
Okay.
impromptu music.
Alright. Well, let's go over here and get some of this. There we go. Nice. Ooh. Coming soon. Alright. What does this do? I don't know. Guess we'll find out in the future.
You ready to fix
Alright.
another dimensional mess?
Yeah, you can do it? Alright. Go ahead. Hey, what's up, Cliff? Gary?
I was starting to worry.
Uh-huh.
You waiting for me?
Really?
Only a few minutes, but it's okay.
Okay.
Sometimes catalog my neuroses. But I digress.
Uh-huh.
Your possibilities are waiting for you to guide them to the Mediterranean.
Okay.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that much wind. Is there some way I can weigh them down?
Yeah. Ooh, I see something over there. Ooh.
That's
Nice.
a heavy sphere.
Heavy
It will weigh
sphere.
down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious
Alright.
to say it out loud.
Fire! Okay, what does that do?
So what is in
Oh.
that book of yours?
Oh,
Yeah.
The most up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe.
Uh-huh.
As cataloged by my father.
And who is that?
Okay.
I believe you know him as the plumber.
Plumber?
He is your father?
I
What
don't
is
know.
he doing now?
Taking his first vacation
Oh.
ever. So
Okay.
he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but
Alright.
it's a lot to live up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
Let's see. I need to collect that. That's the wrong button. How do I collect that again? No. No. Oh, that's how. Okay.
So, how did you get the title Prophet?
Yeah.
I actually didn't choose the name. It
Oh,
was given to
really?
me by the Savali monks after I helped them decipher some of their archives.
Okay.
What does that mean?
I have
Just
no
a lot
idea.
of pointing and saying stuff like, that's a
Oh.
Pelargian phone book. That's a Kerchief
Oh.
tooth. That's
Okay.
a Democlad love poem.
Really?
I am blocked. I think
Uh-huh.
that saw can help clear the path.
Okay. Let's see. So how do I... What do I do with the saw? How do I use saw? Do I... Ah, I do that with the saw. Okay. Now I toss it over there. Alright, and now step right here. And go, my brothers! Open the portal! Please? It'd be nice. There we go, nice.
I have to write this down because that
Uh-huh.
was incredible, Clank. Only
Thank
2
you.
more to go.
To exit the portal? I'd rather just walk over there. I don't really want to exit this portal. Because there's still stuff I can do. Or are you talking about enter that portal?
How are things going with Rivet?
Good?
She
I
hacked
guess.
my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what you kids are doing these days?
I don't know.
I'm so untouched.
Okay. Let's see.
It is interesting.
No!
For being
Oh, cool.
dimensional counterparts, Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences.
Uh-huh.
Ratchet never had any wariness of robots when he met me.
Let's see.
Yet Rivet does.
Maybe your dimension is the outlier. Maybe
Really?
all the other Ratchets don't like robots in their dimensions either.
Okay. Can't do that. What does red do again? Let's see. Oh, it hovers.
A good way to weigh things down.
Uh-huh. Do that. Throw that up there.
I
Okay.
hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more
Uh-huh.
spheres left to find.
Yeah, I know.
My possibilities
Got it.
are a visual representation of my mind,
Uh-huh.
trying to understand dimensionality. And the more I help
Okay.
them find their way, the more I will understand and be able to
See.
fix everything.
Uh-huh. Okay.
That saw is blocking the path.
Uh-huh.
If I
There
can
we go.
just find a way to lower it.
Yep. And jump!
Oh, nice!
Ow!
I never thought to use the sphere like that.
Uh-huh. Okay. Try this again. Nice. Ow! What the hey? Alright. Oh. What did I do wrong? I don't know. Alright.
Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's the same?
They're Lombaxes.
Are both very quick to take action. Unlike me, I always get so caught up in the details.
And
Okay.
you wish you were better about that.
Not all the time. But it would be nice to not have to worry so much.
Alright. Ow! Oh, that was stupid. Okay. Throw that over there.
Things are looking
Nice.
up now.
Okay. Throw that. Now I'll go over here, do that, and grab this. Perfect.
Ah, Clank! I think
What?
I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just
Okay.
gotta be confident.
What do
Really?
you mean?
If there's one thing I've
Yeah.
learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what you're doing
Uh-huh.
can get you everywhere in life. That and
Okay.
carrying a plunger.
Let's see. Well, that won't work. Go over here. Alright, throw that over there. And throw that right there. See if it works. Well, that won't work. Let's see. Okay. Nope. Great. Where's the... Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. Alright. There we go. Nice. Alright, that was a little puzzle solving, but we did it.
The Blizzard anomaly has been fixed.
Nice.
Good job, Clank.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you. And remember,
Yeah?
confidence is the key.
Thanks. Alright. There, we fixed it. Awesome.
Now we can deal with the clock.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, I sent the top minds
Uh-huh.
on the team to fix the tube, and they
Okay.
got
Let's see. Looks like it's clogging here.
that's it.
There we
Hydraulic
go.
supply restored.
Nice.
With that fixed,
Uh-huh.
we should now be able to use that elevator.
Awesome.
Drill for some phase quartz.
Yeah. What she said. Alright. So, let's go ahead and go up here.
Almost there.
Yep.
Drill, phase quartz, repair the dimensionator.
Yep.
In case I do not get another chance to say it,
What?
thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Get mushy on me now, Bolts.
Huh?
Not done yet.
Okay. I thought I saw... I did see some over there, but that's a little far.
Throw squad is back.
Oh, come on! Go away! What? What? Oh my! Oh my! What's that? Kill 2 enemies with a single... I did? Wow! Wee! Okay, I kind of like this gun.
I cannot help thinking
Uh-huh. There we go.
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
Yeah.
Soon.
Ooh.
Then we
Nice.
can stop it from happening in this dimension.
Okay. Oh, gosh. There we go. Eh.
Nowhere to go.
Ah! There. We did it. Ah! Oh! Woohoo! Whew. That was close. Alright. What's over here? Okay. Nice. Getting money. That's all good. Nice. Perfect. So much money! Money! Wait. More money! Well, not money, but, you know, currency. Whatever. Whackus! Alright. Go over here and see what's on this side. Whackus! Nice. Whackus! What this? What this do? Okay. Alright. Not sure what this does, but let's go over here and see. Okay. I don't know. Let's see, what's on this side? Oh, we can go on both sides and then do that. Okay. Go over here. Yeah. Whackus! Nice. And jump. And jump.
We are fast approaching the main drill.
Yeah, we are. Perfect. We made it. The drill.
It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really?
Really? That
Wow.
is very specific.
Yeah.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
True. I guess that makes sense. Alright, let's go ahead and grab all these so we get money and ammo. There we go. Looks like there's some ammo. Money with ammo. Health. Ooh, that's close. With ammo.
We should
Nice.
locate the crank to operate the drill.
Yeah, give me a second. I'm getting money! There we go. Alright. Let's go. That's the wrong button, but whatever. And pull. There we go.
Lombax,
Alright.
brilliant news.
Really?
Coded the message from beyond.
Oh, okay.
Finally. Good
Uh-huh.
reception. Listen,
Yeah.
do not turn on the drill.
Oh.
The rift
Why?
finished it. The drill destroyed our Blizzo.
What?
Uh-oh.
We just turned it on.
Yeah.
Take cover.
Okay.
Lockdown engaged.
Uh-oh. Oh, hi. Fire! Yep. Die!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
Come on. Ooh, leveled up. Electricity? Nice. That's good for stunning people. There we go. Nice. Whoa! Leveled up? I did? Ow! Die! No! Give me a second! Go! Die! Ow! Come on. Let's go and die! Perfect.
Phase quartz suspended in the drill bead.
Uh-huh.
I'll knock it out with my hammer.
Really?
Please
Oh.
careful.
Okay. I did it somehow. Nice. Uh-oh.
Oh, you guys.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Return to the
Oh,
other
I'm ammo.
quickly.
Come on. Let's go. Ow. You jerk. Ow. Fire! Go. And, shoot you. Come on. And fire! There we go. Go away. Alright. Ow!
Drop the shotgun, rebel.
Uh-huh. And die! Ow! Retreat! Find some health! Quick! Fire! Right. Come on. Whew.
That is the last of them.
Nice.
There's gotta be a way back around here.
What about this crystal? I'm gonna hit it. Oh, come on! Need health right now before I die. Woo! Health. Ah, wonderful health. Alright. Fire! Fire! Ow. Ow. Die! How did I die? Do I have to do that all over again? Okay, good. No, there's checkpoints. Whoa! Rapid fire? What the heck? Ow! Die! When did this get a rapid fire? That's it. Come over here. Ow! I said come over here. Don't shoot me. Go away. There. Come on. Come on and die. Oh, come on. Ow! Stop it! Stop it! Quit it! I gotta go and hide for a second. Fire!
It is perilously close.
Jeez.
If we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the
Come on.
from shattering.
Ow.
But this is a pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it.
Then,
Oh, that sucks.
impact.
Fire! That's not what I meant to do.
It is your best friend, Jim. Please
Uh-huh.
don't die, as I deleted my
Okay.
sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Uh-huh.
Not now,
Okay.
Jim.
I wish I had a sad
Yeah, not now, Jim. Okay. Oh, that's out of ammo. There we go. Nice. Whew. Uh-oh. The crystal!
Rivet.
Yeah, grab the crystal before anything happens to it. Oh. Well, now we gotta look for another one.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it...
Uh-huh. It's worse. A lot worse.
I know this is gonna sound totally weird,
Yeah.
but...
What?
The Morts used to tell me legends about
Uh-huh.
someone on Torin 4 called...
Okay.
The Fixer.
Yeah.
If it's broke, the Fixer will fix it.
Uh-huh.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
Okay. I can probably live with that. Where am I?
Saved Blizzard.
Uh-huh.
We fix up this space quartz and save the universe.
Okay.
All right, folks. Let's go
Uh-huh.
find the Fixer.
If you
Warp
are
to the
right,
main
and
hub.
the Fixer is able to repair the phase quartz,
Uh-huh.
we will have achieved the impossible.
Morts always spoke so
Okay.
fondly of him. And trust me, they are terrible liars.
Oh.
Then perhaps we still stand a chance of saving the dimensions.
Nice. That's good. But I guess we'll do that next episode because we are out of time. So thank you guys for watching, guys. The crystal that we needed kind of destroyed, but that's okay. We're gonna find the Fixer and hopefully he'll fix it. So yeah, that's probably what we're gonna do in the next episode. Anyways, guys, I'm FM, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.